Welcome to this TOEFL speaking practice for question 3. In this task, you'll be combining information from two sources, a reading passage and a lecture on the same topic. Your job is to explain how the lecture relates to the reading.
Let's talk about socialization, which is a lifelong process. It's how individuals learn and internalize the values, norms, and behaviors necessary to function effectively within their society. This process begins in childhood and continues throughout our entire lives. There are several key agents of socialization that influence us along the way. The most significant of these include our families, schools, peers, and the media. To start, the family is incredibly important, especially in those early years. Families teach children fundamental manners, language, and cultural norms. As children grow older, the role of schools becomes more prominent. Schools not only provide formal education, but they also help children develop essential social skills, such as teamwork and the ability to follow rules. During adolescence, peer groups start to play a crucial role. Friends and peers significantly influence identity formation and social behaviors. It's during this time that individuals often seek to fit in and establish their own social identities. Moreover, we cannot overlook the impact of the media. It continuously shapes our perspectives on social roles, fashion, and lifestyle choices. So, why is socialization so vital? It ensures that members of a society understand how to behave appropriately within their culture. This understanding is essential for social stability and continuity. Without the process of socialization, we would struggle to navigate the complexities of social interactions and the expectations of our communities.
The lecture builds on the reading passage about socialization processes, by giving more details on how people, over time, learn to fit into society. The passage explains that socialization is the process, where individuals, starting in childhood, learn values and behaviors. The lecture adds that family, schools, peers, and media are all important agents of socialization. For example, families teach basic manners, schools provide formal education and social rules, and peers, especially during adolescence, influence identity. The media, also, plays a role in shaping our views. This explanation supports the idea, in the passage, that socialization is lifelong, with different influences, at different stages of life, helping people better understand how to behave in their culture.